Hey, this is David. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the convection heat element on your Samsung range. If you've been experiencing uneven cooking, longer preheat times, or your oven simply not reaching the desired temperature in the convection setting, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward appliance repair guides. Let's get started and bring your oven back to perfect cooking condition. With over 2 billion products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your range or turn the breaker off. You will need to pull the range out and remove the Phillips head screws from the back. To check the convection element, locate the convection heater terminals and remove both of the connectors. For this test, the range needs to be plugged in and powered on. Please be very careful to protect yourself from electric shock, which has a potential to cause serious injury. Don't ever test for voltage if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter. Place a probe into each plug. We will be testing the voltage going to the element, so set your multimeter to AC voltage. And set the control to convection bake and watch the voltage reading. You should read 240 volts AC. If the voltage is there and the heater does not work, replace the element. Let me show you how to replace it in case you had the same problem. Remove the oven door by opening the door to a flat position and pulling out the door catch clips like so. Lift up and out to remove the door. Remove the oven racks. Now, isn't this easier? Remove the two screws that hold the lower fan cover. Remove the two screws that hold the element in place. You should now be able to pull the element straight out. Here's the old convection heat element, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Position the new element in place and secure it with the two screws. Install the cover, racks, and install the door. Push the door catches back in place and test the door for operation. Go to the back and put the connectors in place over the two element terminals. Install the rear panel and you are ready to test it out. Plug it back in or turn the breaker back on and set it for convection bake. It might smell a little bit, but that will eventually go away. Great job replacing your Samsung range's convection heat element. We're excited to see how your cooking improves. Let us know how your repair went in the comments below. We'd love to hear your success stories. If you still need a replacement part, remember to visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Just input your model number and you'll find what you need. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for choosing us to assist with your do-it-yourself project, and we look forward to seeing you on your next repair adventure.